Welcome back to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And once again, we have Maxine on the mix. Now, Maxine is calling out JJ as she's saying that, she don't really apologize. She don't really love to apologize. But she's saying that he was telling her things all along and she was dismissing it. And now she can see that he was right. And even though she don't like to apologize, she's saying, she sees that he was telling the truth. So she's calling him out so that he could hear what she has to say, even though it's not, 100% an apology, but she's saying that she respects him for being honest. So go ahead and catch the video and remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel, newcomers. And as always, everyone, comment away and have yourselves a wonderful day.
Jezebel, the old Jagabites and the whole of them will come out at me. Who still left standing? Who still left standing? I want to call JJ to the front. Yeah, me want to call JJ to the front. Me not look no friend from JJ. Not looking no friend from JJ. But when you're wrong, you're wrong. JJ come at me. And JJ go on with himself. Till me and JJ become an item. And that not like they, Not like they. Social media item me attack. And he would have tell me a lot of stuff. JJ tell me that all of them, and I'm going to play it again. JJ tell me say all of them they work together from 99 go straight down. They work together. Be careful. Be careful of them. Be careful. He look for me and he said, Lady Max, let me tell you something. I have high respect for you. Be careful. You're the only one who come out here and speak your truth. And speaking the truth. Them are Jezebel. Them are devil. Them are obia worker. Them are this. But because for my head went so high up in a man V house. Me know when even the care said man V was one of the serpent. Good morning, laugh at me, my darling. Love you too, sweetheart. Love you too. Me never know say man V when one of the serpent. And me say JJ was warning me. Even when they warn me. Say the whole of them are the devil. Look what they go on up on social media. Look what they go on up on social media. Me no want none of you come over here think you can think me platform. None of you can build me platform because say number one, if me want money on my platform, me know how to make money on my platform. Me know how to do everything. Me no in no scamming with none of you. Me no in no lying with none of you. Me no in no damn thieving with none of you. Me stand alone. Me stand alone. And as I said, none of you now come over here. Con this nobody over here. Me tell you no say if you no call Barbisha name, me they go black you. If you no call off at me name, me they go black you. Me no want nobody left them platform and come over here think they can talk to none of them. Neither Cherise, none of me people them are over here. Rebecca, none of them. Me no want none of them call them name because me feel cause some kind of way when you no call them name. If you no want call their name, because yes, you see what they're going, sugar? Because of a little fire burning, you know why they attack them, you know why they catch them, because they believe in it too much. It was just a simple gesture. And all of a sudden the whole of them hope that they take them, you know, sister, they take them. Me mama clad. If you know sister hope that they take them, me no know how else to explain say they take them. The whole of them they fall. Then going down like Titanic, the whole of them. Lorraine have nothing about himself. Lorraine have nothing about herself. She and 72 Michelle have nothing about themselves. Nothing. With all of what they go on, they still come out and they go on with themselves. Hey Adrian, good morning, my darling. Good morning. Good morning, Adrian. Adrian, I'm gonna call you when I'm done. The people them not have nothing about them. Nothing at all. Look what one little fire burning cost. Look what one little fire burning cost. The whole of them. Morning, Barbisha, morning. Good morning, everybody. Please like and share the live, people. Please like and share the live. I'm not going to have it this morning because I really feel like I want to just cut it off right now. I just feel like I want to just cut it off right now because none of you can come over here. I'm not saying nothing until I see 20 likes up on YouTube. 20. Nothing more me not say. I not playing nothing. I have some stuff here when I want to let out and belch out. Not until I see 20 likes. 20, 20, 20, 20, 20. Come on, YouTube people. Come on. Come on, Facebook. I don't care if you share, but I want to see 20, 20, 20. Yeah. I see him made me burn one big fire over my side. Yes, you have to burn fire for them, man. You have to burn fire for the Eden them. You have to burn fire for the demons them. You see how them are run up and down in a social media and galang, Adrian? Me see you see how them are galang? No, sir. Some of them they catch for ear. Them are catch for ear. Tell your friend to come ask me, Sash. Sash, tell your friend to ask me. I don't take questions from people who is asking for their friends. If you're asking me a question, ask me because you wanna ask me. Don't take anything from your friend and come ask me. I'm not into that. I am not saying one more thing until I see. Yes, yes, and it works, you know, Adrian. Adrian, it works. It is working. Trust and believe when I tell you that it's working. Come on, people on YouTube. People on YouTube, come on. I know you can do better than that. I really know you can do better than that. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, Adrian. Come on, people on YouTube. When you have 20 thumbs up on YouTube, let me know. When I have 20 thumbs up, please let me know. And the show will go on. I don't see nothing going up on Facebook either. There's nothing going up on Facebook. Come on, you can do more than that. Facebook, you can do more than that. Oh no, I'm not stopping, Barbisha. I won't stop until I see progress. Trust and believe that. Come on, YouTube. I need 20 likes. Just 20 likes I want. Both on Facebook and YouTube. I'm not saying nothing more. I just shut it down. Believe me when I tell you. Because when I look and see 1 year ago today, me and JJ have this very conversation that this was going to happen. All of them is working together. Every single one of them. But my head was so up in man v ass, I never realized it was true. So I go back for the time when I had the conversation with them. Yeah. Come on, people. 20. I want to see 20. 20 likes on Facebook, 20 likes on YouTube. I just want to see 20. Just 20 I want to see. Come Come on, I'm waiting. I'm waiting, people. You really want to see what's going on? 20. When I see 20, I continue. I have a lot of people that I need to address this morning. Because I'm not afraid of no know that. I'm not cater for no for no. I don't know that. No for when you see me live, they go on, don't come over here. Because me no when send call none of you. Me no when send call none of you. Because the hypocrite thing, me no deal with. The back and belly stabbing and the back and belly rat thing, me no deal with. Me no do well with that. Me not in a no friend thing with nobody. It doesn't reach 20 yet. It doesn't reach 20. I'm waiting on the 20. I am waiting on the 20. Morning. 20. If me not see 20, me not start. Any more me not see 20, me not starting.